here's the panels. These are the fenders, and they've been jam painted. I love the way it looks. Came out really nice. Here's the other panel. I really love this color. Came out real good. And I gave a coating on the inside of all three, of sealer, base coat, and the clear coat. I did a light misting on the inside, and around, for example, the bolt holes, I gave it one coat of clear, and around all the welds I also gave it one nice coat of clear to give it a little more protection. And on this area of the fender, I gave it 2 coats of clear, as well as over here on this side, because I figured water is going to collect in those areas and I just wanted to give some protection. Same thing on this panel. Both holes are done, the welds, light misting on the whole panel. Came out really nice. And when I did the jam also included this area there, because there's a fender extension that attaches here, and this area will be covered. So I consider that a jam since it will be covered. And the fender panels, it took 3 block sanding sessions to get it to where I liked it, where it's nice and straight. But I'm very happy with the way it turned out. Again, here's the jam painted area. But yeah, there's the panels, jam painted. And when this fully dries, I can put the car back together again. So it'll start looking more and more like a Nova. Came out real nice. So that's the update on the fenders. Well, I also took care of the cowl panel. And this one, I gave it 2 coats of epoxy primer on both sides of this panel. And this, I sanded down to bare metal, which I'll show right about now. And I found that there's no bodywork needed on it. So this panel is going to be painted with the car, so no high build is needed. So there's the panel. It came out really nice. It's epoxy and it's ready for its final paint. Okay, here's the cowl panel. I decided to paint it. And it's done. Looks really, really nice. And I positioned it so that I can somewhat get to the bottom half of this panel, because I wanted to at least get a little protection on the bottom. So you can see there's some coloring on the bottom. And I did that with all 3, the sealer, the base coat, and the clear coat. There it is. I love that shine. You can see the reflection of the light, course, it has to be wet sanded to look flawless, but right now it has kind of like a factory like appearance. But other than that, it looks gorgeous. There's the cowl panel, all done, clear coated, and I put 3 coats of clear on this so that I can get that protection, figuring this is a body part and it will be seen. So 3 nice full wet coats of clear. And I did 3 coats of base, and with the sealer I just did 1 nice even coat. So there it is. Cowl panel is finally done. I can add that to my collection of painted parts.